Okay, so let's talk about monkey testing. So it's like testing an application like a monkey. If if you bring a monkey to your system and give your laptop, okay, open your application, give your laptop, okay, what it does, okay, okay, God only knows what it does, okay, it will just, it will try to bend your laptop and sometimes try to click your keyboard like anything, okay, that's what happens, okay, that's the reason testing the application randomly, like hitting keys irregularly and try to break down the system, you know we can call it as monkey testing. Okay, testing the application as you wish, whatever it comes to your mind, testing the application, okay, like anything, okay, randomly. So we can call it as monkey testing and try to break down it, try to break the system. So so that's about monkey testing. And for the monkey testing, we'll not be having any specific testing cases to test. Okay, so we don't have any if you give some test case to monkey, will it understand? No, right? In the same way, so doing the monkey testing will not be having any test cases to execute. That's first thing. And the second thing is testing the application randomly by hitting some keys, okay, and doing some context click using the mouse by right clicking the mouse and clicking some menus. Okay, so going in a random manner, testing the application in a random manner, we'll call it as monkey testing. So that's all about all the test cases, all the testing types. Okay.